Here's a shocking twist now. Sanctions may be eased on Iran, and the timing couldn't be more dramatic, right? Welcome to Times XP's War Updates with me, Dhriti Yatri. And as the Middle East conflict escalates, Washington is reportedly considering a bold and unprecedented move, easing sanctions on Iran. Nobody could ever imagine that. And this comes amid soaring oil prices, rising fuel costs, and growing global panic over energy security. The US is under immense pressure, by the way, to stabilize the market while keeping the military escalation in check. Ordinary consumers, they are already feeling the pinch here, with gas prices climbing and energy bills spiking. Governments worldwide, they are scrambling to respond, fearing the economic fallout could spiral out of control. And at the center of this crisis is none other than Strait of Hormuz, one of the narrowest and most strategically important waterway in the world. Nearly one-fifth of the global oil passes through this 21-mile stretch of water. Now, with Iran accused of targeting oil and gas infrastructure, disrupting the shipping lanes, and intimidating the commercial vessels, the flow of oil has slowed dramatically. Tankers are being rerouted, insurance costs are skyrocketing, and traders are reacting nervously to every single new headline. Even a minor incident in this choke point, it can really spark massive global supply shock. In fact, the potential easing of sanctions is seen by some as a way to inject more and more Iranian oil into the global market, stabilizing the prices and calming the tensions down. However, let me inform you here, analysts are warning that this could also give Tehran much needed revenue, and that too during a very sensitive conflict, potentially strengthening its position and emboldening its military move. Well, critics worry that such a decision it could be interpreted as softening of the US resolve, signaling that economic convenience is taking over military deterrence. Now, let's flip the script. Let's talk about the supporters. They argue that this could be a clear and clever diplomatic tool, allowing the US to stabilize the region while building alliances and reopening the critical shipping routes, all without deploying troops directly into harm's way. However, the ripple effects, ladies and gentlemen, they are already being felt worldwide. From Europe to Asia, fuel prices are impacting households and industries alike. Shipping companies are revising their routes, airlines are adjusting their ticket prices, and governments are exploring emergency stockpile to avoid any shortage. The economic strain, it adds yet another layer of urgency here to the geopolitical tension, turning what was initially a regional conflict, now it is global energy emergency. Look at the timing now. It also carries a political angle, by the way. With global markets jittery and public pressure mounting, the US needs to demonstrate both leadership and control. By signaling a willingness to ease the tension, Washington may be trying to reassure allies and markets that it has a plan to prevent any energy catastrophe. However, Iran will likely interpret this move as leverage, right? Increasing the risk of retaliation further. Now, whether through further disruption of shipping, escalation in the Gulf, or pressure on the US allies in the region. Let me conclude this for you now. This is more than just an economic decision. It's a high-stakes geopolitical gamble. The world is now watching closely. Will easing sanctions ease the crisis, or will it give Iran an unexpected advantage and complicate the whole situation further? One thing is clear here, the Strait of Hormuz is no longer just a narrow waterway. It has now become the epicenter of a global showdown that could reshape the energy market, alliances, and the balance of power in the Middle East.